Okay. What happened that required you to have a surgery?
I had a bone spur that was re, that was cutting into my Achilles tendon, and when it flamed, it's very difficult to walk. I've had this problem for some years
Okay. And so they did the surgery. So you showed me some pretty cool pictures of the pre and post surgery. What did they do? They actually removed what?
They had to remove the tendon, shave the bone spur down, and graft and reattach the Achilles tendon.
Okay. And so since the surgery, tell me some of the issues or the concerns you've had. And if you would, roll to your stomach just a little bit.
I had difficulty with the strength in my legs and pivoting and just movement in my left heel.
Yeah, one thing that I think was unique about your case is this area that I'm working in right here. It was literally adhered kind of to the tissue below. And now we've gotten it where it's definitely way more mobile. You have one little spot kind of right in there that's still not quite as mobile as some of the others, but that has loosened up quite a bit. Now, the scar itself too is looking really, really good. The scar has come a long way. You still have some skin that's peeling off, but if we kind of look, very mobile here, getting pretty mobile in this area. This has been our hard or difficult spot here, but it's also seeming to come along. You see it's a little restricted in this area, but I would say the best area so far really is down here at the heel. That has really become malleable for us. So we'll kind of let this fall off. We're not going to take that off, but we'll let it continue to heal and fall off. But what's also interesting with Mr. Burkett's, he is extremely tender along his posterior tibialis. How does that feel when I do that? It hurts a little bit. Mr. Burkett, he's a tough guy though. Actually, yeah, last time it was very tender. Let me see if I can find a spot for you. Is it right there, still there? Okay, so today what we're going to focus on is his posterior tibialis. I won't do that on camera because I don't want him to see me for you guys. But I'm going to work on that, and we'll continue to address the scar. But this is a very improved scar that you are seeing here. This is the harvest site, if we didn't mention that, and that's moving pretty good. When we get him on his side, we do feel some of the scar tissue in there that we are working on. But overall, everything is good.